function notation, and I'm just going to do the first two problems from the worksheet. If I have f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x, and what I'm asking for is f of 3 minus f of 1, remember that f of 3 means that we're going to substitute 3 into this function. So for f of 3, I'll have f of 3 equals 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 5 over 3. So this is giving me just the f of 3 portion of this. For f of 1, we would substitute 1 into this. So we'd have 1 squared minus 4 times 1 minus 5 over 1. So simplifying this one, sort of ignore the space. You can work down if you want. 3 squared is going to give me 9 minus 12 minus 5 thirds. And over here I'll have 1 minus 4 minus 5. So simplifying this a little bit more, this is going to give me negative 3 minus 5 thirds. And if I convert that to thirds, that gives me 9 thirds. So this is negative 14 thirds. I'll write that down here. And then simplifying this one, 1 minus 4 is negative 3, minus 5 is negative 8. And we want the difference between these two. So I'm going to have negative 14 thirds minus negative 8, which means I'm going to change that to a plus. And 8 is really the same if I convert it to thirds as 24 thirds. So when I add these two together now, I'm going to get 10 thirds. So that's our problem number 1. Looking at problem number 2, we're following the same sort of process here. I'll just split it right here. So if I substitute 4 into this, f of 4 is going to be equal to 2 thirds times the square root of 5 minus 4 quantity cubed, which is really 2 thirds times the square root of 5 minus 4 is square root 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Cubed is 1. So this just gives me 2 thirds. And then for f of 1, we're substituting 1 in. So we'll have 2 thirds times the square root of 5 minus 1 cubed, which gives me 2 thirds times 5 minus 1 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. And then 8 times 2 thirds gives me 16 thirds. So now we're taking f of 4, which is 2 thirds, minus f of 1, which is 16 thirds, to get a total of negative 14 thirds. So again, with these function notations, you're really just substituting in the x value into any of the x's within the equation. Here there were 3 of them, here there was just 1, but you're substituting into all of them.